In 2025, Jamaica was on the move, literally and figuratively. From the streets of Kingston to rural communities, innovation, connectivity, and resilience took center stage. Out with the old and in with the new. The Jamaica Urban Transit Company, JUTC, accelerated its drive toward modernization, beginning with the rollout of its new SmartFare system, designed to make transactions easier, faster, and more efficient for commuters.
Vendors can now access the system through PCs, tablets, or their mobile devices.
New payment system? Check. New buses? Double check. To strengthen reliability and reduce wait time, the JUTC expanded its fleet with 63 compressed natural gas CNG buses. An additional 30 diesel coach buses were added, 3 of which are equipped to better serve members of the disabled community. With commuters top of mind, the JUTC also launched its Rural Express service, connecting residents in rural areas with Kingston, Mandeville, Negril, Montego Bay, and Port Antonio.
It's an expansion of the JUTC service outside of the ATMR. So that's very, very attractive. But most importantly, it's giving options to the rural citizens across Jamaica.
September morning, come in schoolers, come in!
60 of 110 school buses were deployed for the September 2025 academic year. This provided dedicated transportation for approximately 258 schools, reaching nearly 30% of the rural school population.
The program focuses on 2 core areas: house wiring to ensure legal and safe electricity access, and pole line extension to expand the grid into previously unserved areas. So far, the results are transformative. Over 4,000 homes in 50 communities across 7 parishes have received free house wiring.
Petrojam secured a significant $90 million or approximately 14 billion Jamaican dollar deal to supply Trinidad and Tobago with high sulfur and very low sulfur fuel oil for refueling ships, marking a major boost to Jamaica's energy exports and foreign exchange. Shipments began in January 2025.
All the members of parliament in the affected areas will get a mobile Starlink. All the mayors will get a mobile Starlink, and obviously the leader of the opposition will get a mobile Starlink, and several others.
Starlink technology was also deployed to provide community Wi-Fi, while mobile charging station helped restore communication in impacted areas. Toll rates were conditionally suspended to support the movement of relief teams. And through the National Energy Poverty Reduction Project, vulnerable households received targeted assistance to restore safe electrical access.
Focuses on restoring safe electrical access, repairing homes, providing house wiring for regularization, and supporting GER recertification, and offering small solar solutions to vulnerable groups.
The Island Traffic Authority and Tax Administration Jamaica rolled out 2 major upgrades, the new e-fitness system and the Electronic Motor Vehicle Registration Certificate EMVRC system. Together, they fully digitized the fitness and registration process. That means no more registration stickers, no paper fitness certificates. All vehicle documents are now issued and sent electronically. A more efficient, more connected, and more resilient Jamaica. That was the story of 2025.